Try changing gears with the dial shift by wire, which has a comfortable grip. After starting the car, step on the brake pedal and locate the dial shift, which you can turn to D or R to drive forward or in reverse. Try neutral parking mode, which is handy when double or parallel parking is inevitable, such as in a public parking lot with limited space, so the car can be easily moved if needed. After parking, shift to P while the engine is still on, and disable auto hold and the electric parking brake. Then turn off the engine and step on the brake pedal within 30 seconds, and turn the dial shift once to the right or left for more than 1 second to park in neutral.
Kia, movement that inspires.